Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Easy English podcast. We are very happy you are here today. This podcast is for English beginners who want to improve listening, speaking, and daily conversation skills in a simple and fun way.
Today's topic is Don't Waste Your Time. We will talk about how to use time wisely and build good habits every day. So relax, listen carefully, and practice English with us. Let's begin our conversation.
Why is time important?
Because time is valuable.
What should we not waste?
We should not waste time.
What does Anna do every morning?
She wakes up early.
Does Tom play games all day?
No, he doesn't.
What does Tom do after work?
He studies English.
Why does Tom study English?
Because he wants a better job.
What can happen if we waste time?
We may miss good opportunities.
What should students do every day?
They should study every day.
Is watching too much TV good?
No, it isn't.
What is a good way to use time?
Reading books is a good way.
What does Anna do before sleeping?
She plans for tomorrow.
Can small actions help us succeed?
Yes, they can.
What should you do first in the morning?
I should make my bed and prepare for the day.
Why do people make schedules?
To use time better.
What is the lesson of this conversation?
Don't waste your time. Use it wisely.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our Easy English podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words and sentences.
Remember, don't waste your time.
Use every day to learn something new and improve yourself little by little.
Keep practicing English every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
See you again in the next episode. Take care, have a wonderful day, and goodbye, everyone.